Hi guys, here we are at Moat Hill level crossing in.
The next one's probably going to be about 4:30, which will be best. That's what Andrew suggested.
Right, that's fine.
So I'll get him back for just gone 4:15, okay?
Yeah, that's lovely.
Okay then, cheers. Bye for now. Thank you, young man.
Right.
Thank you.
Right. Find where we are.
My name's Shane, by the way.
Shane, yeah. There's so many new names to remember, so
Yeah.
it's just a fix.
By at least the third time we meet, you'll probably be used to it.
Yeah, I hope so. Otherwise, I'll be in big trouble.
It will not stop bouncing, Andrew. Tell it to stop as you push it down.
Yeah, this is Moat Hill's level crossing. I said Moat Hill. I'm weird.
I got my BCD view. I'm taking after you.
Legion!
Yeah?
Here's a Hust, I believe. No, it's a 91 set.
Yeah, it's
King's Edinburgh.
Buo.
Was it straight through or did it stop?
Well, signal's now ready. They just set the load for it.
There's the signal guys there. Wait, isn't Moat Hills, hey guys, who controlled Moat Hills at the crossing place? What's next after this?
I don't know.
Down here we've got a red signal.
Let's hope Joe's battle lasts a good decent time. Next one around any time. We could be getting double.
What is it? When's the next on the Leeds loop?
Around 19 Aberdeen to Kings, which should pass here. Because that's Leeds and this is the rest of the line. Like Bollow Lane, basically.
Which one's Leeds? Which one?
One part, the rest is the total rest.
When is the next Leeds loop?
Well, this one is to Waverley, once you have a 19.
91 109. 206. Time to run again, guys. But here we are also at Docks. In fact, I'll stop the video. Hi guys, here we are at Docks Lane level. I believe it's Docks Lane, not sure. I think it's Docks Hill. Yeah, Dock Hills level crossing in Yorkshire. Yeah. I didn't know we were getting one of the Leeds loop at the same time, as this is towards Leeds and Bentley, etc. Whilst the other crossing has stayed, being Moat Hills, that has stayed. Tell me when the train comes, Adam.
I'll shout this. Shout the train is coming!
Up there. I think we'll be getting this one first. Yeah?
You know the Strexel number 3 that went off on me, the signal that didn't stop the barriers? I was stood in the middle looking at what signals were what colour. And that was what happened. And I also did, I did actually get quite thingy.
Right, which way? Here's a 43 load.
Ah, here we go.
I think that was 296.
That's our East Coast. Let's just hope we don't get
And 290 something
let's just hope the ambulance will go
to Kings. And we have another dusty bin. That's it on Moat Hills. Now over here on Dock Hills,
we are still down.
we have a pacer bus.
5 minutes closure.
We have a pacer bus.
Oh. Andrew,
there's a pacer bus coming.
Oh, God, look at that.
What? Brayford!
Come on, we're doing the Brayford here. We want to stay down.
Stick with this one. I'll have another couple of minutes time.
I'll get that in a minute, but we have a pacer bus coming through.
Oh, malfunction. We're waiting for Joe to move. We're waiting for Joe to move.
No, we haven't got Hangman.
No, we're waiting for Joe to move.
No, we got Hangman. I saw
And then they say, oh, I let him control one of these crossings. Yeah, this is another video which basically says Moat Hills and Dock Hills level crossing.
Also, yeah, actually the barriers moved about that
Yeah.
much and then stopped, so obviously we did get Hangman.
They didn't move at all. I was watching. Whole through sequence. They didn't move at all.
I hope we don't walk around.
What is it for Moat Hills?
No idea.
I can see a train coming from that way.
Just look at it on the
It's like the Advocate Sheffield. 286.
Well, I can see a train with its white lights on, so I guess.
Yeah, 142 there.
We'll know anyways.
What's the signal?
Yeah, there's a Dock Hills level crossing over there. There's Moat Hills level crossing where you saw the 43 go over.
Dock Hills and Moat Hills level crossing. That was Moat Hills and that was Dock Hills, see?
For those of you who don't know.
Last year, these barriers.
Yeah, there's a 142.
Hey Andrew, this barrier is leaking its fluids. Look.
Ew.
That's why it goes down a bit quicker.
There's a cross country. Not sure where to.
Now, unluckily, we got Hangman.
Newcastle.
Voyager to Newcastle first.
You see, look, Andrew, we've got a leaking barrier. It's leaking here. It's leaking here. It's already done last year.
220 OXX to Newcastle.
220 double X to Newcastle.
It's leaking out here and out here. So,
And here's the pacer bus.
leaking.
Yeah.
We don't want to
This game will fail very soon then.
142057 to Sheffield. 14257 from Sheffield. Well, to Sheffield even. There it goes. And I'll see you in the next video.